Hey guys, how's it going? It's Pierre. I'm making this video to let you guys know that I started a YouTube channel called Salomon Firearms Kreyol. All right, this is documenting my journey of rediscovering myself and my roots. A couple years ago, I went to Ghana in Africa. I had a very amazing experience connecting back to the motherland. And that spurred me to return back to Haiti. A lot of the things that I saw in Ghana reminded me of what I remembered in Haiti, the very little that I did. It made me want to go back and see my people, rediscover my homeland. For those of you that don't know, I was born in Haiti and I came to the U.S. when I was 5 and I became a naturalized citizen and I've been living here ever since. So 30 years gone by, I had never returned back to Haiti, and all I saw or learned about Haiti was through the news, which wasn't very well. There's always some type of drama going on or catastrophe, whether it's an earthquake or hurricane, or it's always bad news. So as a Haitian American growing up, I was very fearful of returning to Haiti because you basically hear you're gonna get robbed, murdered, or any type of bad, crazy thing. So I was always very wary about Haiti and stuff like that. But going through Africa, like I said, going to Ghana made me really inspired me to reconnect with my roots. So this year in 2025, for my birthday, I went to Haiti for the first time, and it was very, very, very nice. I really enjoyed myself. I learned a lot about my community, my home country. I also improved in my Haitian Creole a lot because, Haitian Americans tend to struggle with the native language. And that inspired me to start a YouTube channel where I document my self-discovery or rediscovery. I'm not sure if it would be an initial, but yeah, I'm rediscovering and reconnecting with my home roots, and basically documenting the journey, talking about my fears, my thoughts, my experiences, things that I see that are good, bad, about the country, dispelling a lot of myths that were had, because the image that I had of Haiti in my head wasn't exactly what I found there. So I think there's a lot of misconceptions. There's a lot of false information for one reason or another, whether it's intentional or unintentional. But there is a lot of misinformation. And basically what I want to do is I want to inspire Haitian Americans to reconnect with their roots back in Haiti. The country, there are some bad parts, like anything in life. Like I live in Boston, and there are bad parts in Boston, and there are good parts. So yes, there are some bad parts in Haiti, but there are also a lot of good parts as well. So I wanted to share my journey with you, so that way you can get to experience Haiti through my eyes and my experiences until you decide for yourself that you want to go to Haiti. Whether you're returning to Haiti or whether you're going for your first time, there are plenty of safe opportunities to experience Haiti, and I wanted to help Haitian Americans experience that journey for themselves. I had a very great experience. I'm super happy. And now I am making lifelong, long-term commitments to stay connected with the Haitian community. So being out of the community for over 30 years is crazy. The only time I really spoke Haitian Creole in America was when I was talking trash with my family or friends, So never anything like constructive. So it was really nice to get to practice the language and experience Haiti in a positive way, in a positive light that I didn't get to before. And it really, I really appreciate, and I'm grateful that I did go back, because the opportunity to reconnect with my people has been really great. And I would love for every Haitian American to reconnect with their community as well. So that's why you see these pages called Salomon Firearms Kreyol. It's all about Haiti. So it's all about Haitians. Most of the videos will be in Haitian Creole, but I am making videos like this one in English for the Haitian Americans that don't really understand Creole, and they want, and I too also struggle. I still struggle speaking Creole. So there's a lot of things that I can better explain in English. So the videos will help people guide them through the journey if they want to go to Haiti as well, how you can do that step by step, and then help all the Haitians reconnect with the community. We're a community that's going through a lot right now, regardless of whatever country we're in, whether we're in Haiti, Dominican Republic, America, Bahamas. We're going through a tough time everywhere. So I also want to use this opportunity to help our community grow closer, and that way we can persevere through all the hard times. I would love one of my life goals is to be able to bring my children to Haiti when I have them one day, and not have to worry about safety or anything like that. I want to be able to go back to my home. You see Jamaicans do it, Bahamian people, Trinidadians, all those Caribbean people. They always go back to their home. They enjoy their home country. I would like us Haitians to be able to do that with a peace of mind as well. So that's why I created this channel, so I can show all the good in Haiti, have honest dialogue on how we can improve the country, because there's a lot of room for improvements. So this was a personal journey that I started, and now I feel comfortable to make this journey public. And I want to share that journey with all Haitian Americans and anybody who's interested in learning more about the country. Because unfortunately, they never show anything good about Haiti. We're always labeled as the, poorest country in the Western Hemisphere, and, all the crime that's happening and stuff like that. So we're never shown in a good light. So I want to give a fair and balanced and honest perspective and view of Haiti. There are things that I'm critical of Haiti and Haitians about. So I want it to be a space of honest dialogue. So please follow us on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. For some reason, I created my Instagram, and Instagram is giving me a hard time with activating my page. I think it's because it has to do with the word firearms. So it's always weird. But I just chose it so that people are familiar and know that it's me. So that everybody knows me as Salomon Firearms. So I just added Salomon Firearms Kreyol. So some of my videos will be in English. Some of them will be in Creole. I think I would like to do a 60-40 or 70-30 balance, but maybe 60-40, because I would like to connect to English speakers and other people as well. And I would like to show them the beautiful side of Haiti, because Haiti is very beautiful. It has lots of wonderful places and wonderful people, and not everything is bad, right? So I know when people think of Haiti, they think of doom and gloom, but they are regular people just like us, trying to live, trying to make a way for themselves. So follow my page, Salomon Firearms Kreyol. I'm going to be posting all types of content, okay? So follow me, guys. So that's what I'm up to, okay? So like I said a couple of months ago, maybe a month or two, I decided to be a full-time influencer. So this is one of the contents that we are going to be doing. And yes, we are going to be connecting it with firearms, okay? So we're still going to be talking about self-defense and shooting and things like that. Haiti is a country that needs stability, that needs security. So we're going to still be discussing our primary discipline in that. But I encourage everyone to reconnect with their roots wherever they came from. And just stay in tune with yourself. Don't ever forget where you come from. You're Haitian American. So never forget that you come from a beautiful island. So that's what I'm going to be up to. You'll be seeing all types of cool videos and pictures and stuff. And I have gone on a crazy journey. I've been gone for half the year. So half the year I've been on workcation in the Dominican Republic and Haiti. I spent 5 months out of the country. So now you guys will be able to see all that I am up to. So don't want to make the video too long. So thank you, everybody. Follow me, guys. Salomon Firearms Kreyol. I'll be dropping all the links. Feel free to follow us, okay? Thank you. Bye.